Pre-test questions, questions 11 through 20. 11. Which of these months has the longest, most daylight time in the northern hemisphere? July, April, January. 12. Which of these statements is true about the Earth and the Sun? The Sun revolves counterclockwise around the Earth, so it moves east to west in the sky. The Earth revolves counterclockwise around the Sun, so it moves east to west in the sky. Or the Earth revolves clockwise around the Sun, so it moves west to east in the sky. 13. What causes change from day to night and night to day? The moon's rotation around the Earth, the rotation of Earth on its axis, or the orbit of Earth around the Sun. 14. How long does it take for Earth to make one rotation on its axis? 1 day, 1 year, 1 month. 15. Seasonal changes occur when the Earth tilts either toward or away from the Sun. If the Earth tilts towards the Sun in the northern hemisphere and it is summer, what's happening in the southern hemisphere? The southern hemisphere is tilting away from the Sun and it will be summer in the southern hemisphere. The southern hemisphere is tilting toward the Sun and it will be winter in the southern hemisphere. Or the southern hemisphere is tilting away from the Sun and it will be winter in the southern hemisphere. 16. Seasonal changes occur when the Earth tilts either toward or away from the Sun. What will happen to the amount of sunlight in the northern hemisphere as the Earth changes tilt? The amount of sunlight in the northern hemisphere will remain the same as the Earth's tilt changes. When the northern hemisphere tilts towards the Sun, the amount of sunlight decreases in the northern hemisphere. Or when the northern hemisphere tilts towards the Sun, the amount of sunlight increases in the northern hemisphere. 17. The blank and blank hemispheres of the Earth experience opposite seasons. So do the southern and eastern hemisphere experience opposite seasons? The northern and southern hemisphere experience opposite seasons? Or the western and northern hemispheres experience opposite seasons? 18. What causes temperatures in the summer to be higher than temperatures in the winter? Global warming takes place during the summer months, which raises temperature on Earth. The more the sun's rays directly hit a particular region on Earth during the summer than during the winter, or the Earth is closer in distance to the Sun during the summer than it is in the winter. 19. Which of the following is a result of Earth's tilt? Days are longer during the winter. Seasons change throughout the year. Question 20. What is the main reason or reasons the seasons change? This one's worth 2 points, so it probably has 2 answers. The Earth rotates on its axis. The Earth revolves around the Sun. The Moon revolves around the Earth.